Hello and good morning, children. Welcome to your recording class. Children, today we'll do chapter 1. Okay? If you have book, please open page number 5. Alright, if you don't have book, I'll be sending you PDF of this chapter. So while watching this video, you can also go through your PDF. Alright? So we'll start chapter 1. Computer or machine. In my last video, I have discussed about computer. Alright, so today we'll do the chapter. Chapter name is computer or machine. The first topic is man-made and natural things. First, I'll read the book. The world is formed of natural things and man-made things. Natural things. All natural things are a product of nature. For example, trees, birds, animals, air, water, and humans. Man-made things. Things that are made by humans are called man-made things. All these things are non-living things. For example, machines, clothes, bottles, furniture, bags, and a lot more. So children, in this chapter, we are going to see what are natural things and what are man-made things. Natural things are those things which are made by God, which we see all around. Alright, like trees, birds, human, you and me, animals. Have we made all these things? No. These are made by God. Who has made these things? God. Our God has created plants, flowers. Okay. And the things that are made by man are called man-made things. Means the things that are made by human beings like us. We have made, what we have made? Machines, your pencils, your erasers, your sharpeners, your dresses that you are wearing, the shoes that you wear. Okay, these are all man-made things. But you and me are made by God. Who has created us? God. Trees, like, have you ever seen trees are made by man? No, we cannot make trees. We cannot make birds. We cannot make animals. These are all made by God. God has made many things for us. Yes or no? God has made air for us, water for us, isn't it? So you can also think some more which are created by God. And man-made things, it is very easy. You can think of your house that you live in, the desks, the tables that you use every day. These are all made by man. You can also think yourself, what else things are created by God and made by man. So turn the page number 6. In this chapter, you will learn about machines and their types. So after man-made and natural things, what we are going to learn is types of machines. There are many types of machines. Alright, so what are machines? Let's check out here. A machine is a man-made thing. A machine is a man-made thing. A man has made a machine. It is not made by God. A machine is man-made thing or an object that makes a work easier and quicker, saves our time, reduces our effort and energy, works continuously, works on human instructions. Imagine you are on a bench with your family. Sorry, on a beach with your family. You all are building a sand castle. Which of the following things would help you build the sand castle? Here the things are given: a bucket and shovel to make a sand castle, then a ball and a hammer. If you have book, you can tick on a book. If you don't have, I'll tell you, you can do it in your copy. So, what is a machine? Machine is a thing which makes our work very easier and very fast. Like, for example, now you all know about mobile phone. Yes or no? Mobile phone is also a machine which is made by a man. A human being has created this mobile phone. With the help of this mobile phone, you can talk to your friends, relatives, your anyone whom you want to talk with, isn't it? And it is very fast. You just dial the number, you just press the numbers on your keypad of your phone, and what will happen? You'll hear the ringtone from the other phone. Yes or no? There is no connection, nothing. There is no long wire connecting each other. But because it is a very useful machine, it is a machine, as soon as you press the numbers on your phone, the ringtone goes to the another phone that you want to get connected with. Yes or no? And that person, if picks up the phone, you can easily talk. Yes or no? Very easily you can talk. And nowadays it is so advanced that you can see each other. Like video calling. Yes or no? Sorry. You can see each other. You can talk to each other. You can discuss the things. Now we are also doing a studies through this mobile phone. So because of these things, because of this machine, life has become very easy, and the world has come to in our fingertips. Yes or no? You can see the world on your mobile phone. So it is very easy and very helpful. Okay, so children, I have started this chapter, so I am going to give you an exercise to do. Like you have to make one computer copy. Okay, a single line computer copy. I'll show you what is a single line copy is. This is known as a single line copy. This kind of copy you have to make for a computer. Okay, you have to write your name, class, section, everything on the first page, and you have to make a copy. Alright, so to make your copy, first thing, just listen, leave this first page. Do not write anything on this first page. You have to start from the second page. Leave this page here. On the second page, you have to start up your work. And how you will do your work, I'll just show you here on the board. In the first page of your copy, where you want to start, this is your single line copy. It has single lines like this. Now, on the first line, okay, on the red line, the first line is colored with red color. Here you have to write your class, date, write classwork and date in the other side. Today is 22nd on the red line, okay. You have to write on the red line. This part is red in color. This line is red in color. You have to write classwork and date. Leave the second line. Leave this line. The third line, you have to write the chapter name. What is the chapter name? Computer or machine. You have to write the chapter name. Okay, this is your chapter name. Then what you'll do is, You have to write, you have to draw a line like this. Use your ruler to draw a neat line to divide the page. Alright. One side you write natural things. On the other side you write man-made things. Okay? Alright. Now, here you have to draw 4 natural things that comes in your mind. Okay? Whatever you want to draw, you can draw 4 natural things. And you have to write the name. Suppose if I have drawn here a tree. For example, I have made a tree. Below you write the name tree because I have made a tree. Okay? Then in the second block, if you have made a flower, so you have to write the name flower. In this way, whatever comes in your mind, okay, natural things that you see around your house or wherever you go, if you see anything, you can draw and mention the names. In the other side, man-made things, here you can draw man-made things like what you see, man-made things, a bag. Okay, you make a bag and you have to write name bag. Suppose in the second block, again 4 natural things, 4 man-made things. If you have made a pencil, write here, name it pencil. In this way, again, 2 more you have to draw that you see and that comes in your mind. 4 natural things and 4 man-made things that comes in your mind. You draw it in your copy and send it to me in my personal WhatsApp number, which I have already circulated. It's in with you. Okay, please check out. And you can send it in my personal number. Alright, so we'll do till here. In my next class, we'll continue with the next topic. So till then, thank you and watch the PDF. I'll be sending you with this. Okay, thank you.